You pick up your Android phone, you open the Play Store, and right there, staring back at you, is that dreaded message. Something went wrong. Try again. You tap, retry. Nothing. You tap again. Still nothing. You restart the app. Still the same error. Now you're frustrated, confused, and honestly a little annoyed because you just wanted to download one simple app. Sound familiar? You're not alone. Millions of Android users, whether they're using a Samsung Galaxy, a Google Pixel, or any other Android device, face this exact problem every single day. But here's the good news. Every single cause of this error has a fix. And today, I'm going to walk you through every single one of them, step by step, so you never have to see that message again. Welcome back to the channel. If you're watching this video, there's a very good chance you've been staring at your phone screen, completely frustrated, wondering why the Google Play Store is showing you the "something went wrong" error and refusing to let you download or update a single app. Maybe you've already tried tapping try again 10 times. Maybe you've already closed the app and reopened it. Maybe you've even restarted your phone once or twice. And yet, still the same problem. Don't worry. By the end of this video, your Play Store is going to be working perfectly again. All you have to do is follow along with me, step by step, method by method. Before we get into the solutions, let me actually explain what this error is and why it happens. Because understanding the cause helps you pick the right fix faster, and it also helps you prevent this problem from happening again in the future. The "something went wrong" error on Google Play Store is what's called a generic failure message. What that means is that the Play Store detected a problem, but instead of telling you exactly what went wrong, it just throws up this vague wall of text. Super helpful, right? Not at all. The real causes hiding behind this message can be anything. A corrupted app cache, a Google account sync failure, an unstable internet connection, incorrect date and time settings on your device, a VPN interfering with Google's servers, outdated Play Store app data, disabled Google Play services, or even a temporary issue on Google's own servers. The problem could be on your phone, or it could literally be on Google's end. And that's exactly why so many people get confused by this error, because it could be caused by so many different things. But here's the thing. We're going to go through every single possible cause today, starting from the simplest and quickest fixes and working our way up to the more advanced solutions. Most of you watching this video will have your problem solved within the first 2 or 3 methods. So let's get started right now. Method number 1, restart your phone. I know. You've probably already done this, but hear me out, because a proper restart is actually more powerful than most people realize. When you restart your Android phone, you're not just turning the screen off and on again. You're clearing out temporary RAM data, refreshing all background system processes, resetting your network connections, and giving both Google Play Store and Google Play services a completely fresh start. On modern Android devices, like the Samsung Galaxy S25 or Google Pixel 9, a restart clears out what engineers call RAM junk, the background processes that pile up over time and can conflict with apps like the Play Store. To do a proper restart, hold down your power button, or your power button plus the volume button, depending on your device model, and select Restart from the menu. Wait for your phone to fully boot up, then open the Play Store and try again. For many people, this one simple step is all it takes. If it works for you, fantastic. If not, move on to the next method. Method number 2, check your internet connection. This one sounds obvious, but it catches a lot of people off guard. Google Play Store requires a stable and active internet connection to authenticate your Google account and load app data in real time. Even a brief interruption in your connectivity can trigger the "something went wrong" error. And here's the tricky part. Your phone might show that you're connected to Wi-Fi, but the connection might actually be weak, unstable, or dropping packets in the background. Here's what you need to do. First, turn your Wi-Fi off completely, wait about 10 seconds, and then turn it back on. Reconnect to your network and try the Play Store again. If you're on mobile data, try switching to Wi-Fi instead, or vice versa. You can also try toggling airplane mode on for about 10 seconds, and then turning it off. This completely resets all your network connections, and often resolves small connectivity glitches instantly. Just swipe down from the top of your screen, tap the airplane mode icon, wait 10 seconds, then tap it again to turn it off. Give your phone a moment to reconnect, then open the Play Store. Also, if you're using a Wi-Fi network that other devices are struggling with too, the problem might be with your router. In that case, unplug your router from the power socket, wait 30 seconds, then plug it back in and let it fully restart. This refreshes your router's connection to your internet provider and often resolves network issues that aren't visible on the surface. Method number 3, check Google Play Store server status. Here's something that a lot of people don't think about. Sometimes the problem isn't on your end at all. Sometimes Google's own servers are experiencing a temporary outage or maintenance period, and that's what's causing the error on your device. When this happens, there's literally nothing you can do on your phone to fix it, because the problem is sitting on Google's infrastructure, not in your hands. To check whether this is the case, you can visit a website called Down Detector. That's downdetector.com and search for Google Play Store. This website tracks real-time outage reports from users all around the world. If you see a spike in reports around the same time you started experiencing your error, then you know it's a server-side issue and the fix is simply to wait. Google usually resolves these outages within a few hours. In the meantime, there's no need to mess with your phone settings at all. Method number 4, fix your date and time settings. This is one of those fixes that sounds completely unrelated to the Play Store, but it's actually one of the most common causes of this exact error. Here's why. Google Play Store communicates with Google's servers using secure encrypted connections. These connections use something called SSL certificates to verify that your device is talking to a legitimate Google server and not some malicious impersonator. SSL certificates are extremely time sensitive. They check your device's clock to validate the connection. If your phone's date or time is even slightly off, Google's security system will reject the connection and the Play Store will throw an error. So here's how to fix this. Open your Settings app, scroll down and tap on System, then tap on Date and Time. You want to make sure that both Set Time Automatically and Set Time Zone Automatically are turned on. If either of these is turned off and you've set a manual date or time that's even slightly incorrect, that could be the entire reason your Play Store is failing. Toggle both options on, then go back and try the Play Store again. Method number 5, force stop Google Play Store. Sometimes the Play Store app itself gets stuck in a broken background state. This can happen if the app crashed mid-process, if it was interrupted during a data sync, or if a background update happened while you were using it. Force stopping the app is like giving it a hard reset. It clears all active processes and lets the app start completely fresh when you reopen it. To do this, go to your Settings app. Tap on Apps, or on some devices it might say Application Manager. Find Google Play Store in the list and tap on it. You'll see a button that says Force Stop, tap it, and confirm. Now close your settings and reopen Google Play Store from scratch. This method is quick, harmless, and surprisingly effective for a large number of users. Method number 6, clear the cache of Google Play Store. Now we're getting into the fixes that resolve the majority of something went wrong errors. The cache is a collection of temporary data that the Play Store stores on your device to help it load faster. Things like app icons, recent search results, and partial download data all get stored in the cache. Over time, this cache data can become corrupted, especially after an app update or a system update. When the Play Store tries to read the corrupted cache data, it fails, and it shows you the something went wrong error. The good news is that clearing the cache is completely safe. It does not delete your apps, your purchases, your subscriptions, or any of your data. It just wipes out those temporary files so the Play Store can start fresh and rebuild them cleanly. Here's how to do it. Go to Settings, tap Apps, find and tap Google Play Store. Tap Storage. You'll see two options, Clear Cache and Clear Data. Start by tapping Clear Cache Only. Then go back and open the Play Store to see if the error is gone. Method number 7, clear the cache of Google Play services. This is the step that most tutorial videos skip, and it's often the one that actually solves the problem. Google Play Services is a completely separate background app that runs on your Android device and handles critical functions like account authentication, push notifications, location services, and, most importantly, the secure communication between your apps and Google's servers. The Play Store depends heavily on Google Play Services to function. If the cache of Google Play Services is corrupted, it can cause the Play Store to fail, even if the Play Store's own cache is completely fine. To clear it, go to Settings, tap Apps. You might need to tap See All Apps or toggle on Show System Apps to see Google Play Services in the list. Find it, tap on it, tap Storage, and then tap Clear Cache. Important, for Google Play Services, only clear the cache, not the data. Clearing the data of Google Play Services can cause other issues on your device. Once you've cleared the cache, restart your phone and try the Play Store again. This method alone fixes the error for a very large number of users. Method number 8, remove and re-add your Google account. If the above methods haven't worked yet, the problem might be with how your Google account is syncing on your device. This is especially common if you've recently changed your Google account password, if you've enabled two-factor authentication for the first time, or if something disrupted the account sync process in the background. When the Play Store tries to authenticate your account and the sync is broken, it fails and shows you the something went wrong error. The fix is to remove your Google account from the device and then add it back again. This sounds scary, but it's completely safe. Removing your Google account from your phone does not delete your Gmail, your Google Drive files, your photos, or any of your data from Google servers. It only removes the account connection from your specific device temporarily. Here's how to do it. Go to Settings, tap Passwords and Accounts, or on some devices it might say Users and Accounts or simply Accounts. Find your Google account and tap on it. Tap Remove Account. Confirm the removal. Now restart your phone completely. After it boots back up, go back to Settings, Accounts, and tap Add Account. Select Google and sign back in with your email and password. Once your account is re-added, open the Play Store and check if the error is resolved. Method number 9, disable VPN and check private DNS settings. This is a 2026 specific issue that has become increasingly common as more and more people use VPNs on their phones for privacy and security. While VPNs are great for protecting your data on public networks, some VPNs use IP addresses that Google's security systems have flagged as suspicious or potentially associated with bot traffic. When the Play Store tries to connect through a flagged IP address, Google's servers reject the connection and you get the "something went wrong" error. If it works, you know the VPN was the issue. You can then try switching your VPN server to a different location and see if the error goes away. For the private DNS issue, go to Settings, then Network and Internet, then Private DNS, and set it to automatic instead of a custom hostname. Method number 10, uninstall Google Play Store updates. Sometimes a recent update to the Play Store itself introduces a bug that causes widespread errors for users. This happened notably several times in 2024 and 2025 when Google pushed Play Store updates that broke functionality for certain device models. This will roll back the Play Store to its original factory version. Don't worry, the Play Store will update itself again automatically over the next few hours, and by that time, Google will usually have pushed a fixed version. After rolling back, restart your phone and check if the error is gone. Method number 11, update Google Play services. Just like outdated Play Store updates can cause issues, outdated Google Play services can too. Google regularly releases updates to Play services that fix bugs, patch security vulnerabilities, and improve compatibility with the latest Play Store features. If your Google Play services is outdated, it might not be able to properly support the current version of the Play Store, leading to authentication failures and the "something went wrong" error. To update Google Play services, you actually do it through the Play Store itself. Search for Google Play Services in the Play Store search bar. If an update is available, you'll see an update button. Tap it and let the update install. If there's no update button and you only see an open button, then your Google Play Services is already up to date. After updating, restart your phone and check the Play Store again. Method number 12, check available storage space. This is a fix that many people overlook entirely. Google Play Store needs a certain amount of free storage space on your device to download apps, store temporary files, and perform updates. You can also go into Settings, Apps, and clear the cache of your most storage-heavy apps to free up space quickly. Once you've cleared up some storage, try the Play Store again. Method number 13, factory reset as last resort. If you've tried every single method in this video and the Play Store still shows the "something went wrong" error, then there may be a deeper software corruption on your device that can't be fixed with the standard troubleshooting steps. In this case, a factory reset is the nuclear option. It will wipe your phone back to its original state, removing all apps, settings, and personal data. Before you do this, make absolutely sure that you have backed up everything important: your contacts, photos, videos, app data, and anything else you need. You can use Google's built-in backup feature in Settings under System and Backup. First, always keep your Android system updated. Most something went wrong errors that millions of people experience are actually caused by compatibility issues between an outdated Android version and the current Play Store. Go to Settings, System, System Update, make sure you're running the latest version available for your device. Second, avoid using multiple Google accounts on one device if you can help it. When you have multiple accounts, authentication conflicts can arise and confuse the Play Store. If you do use multiple accounts, make sure your primary account, the one you use for purchases and downloads, is always set as the default. Third, periodically clear your Play Store cache every few months, even when there's no error. This is a good maintenance habit that prevents cache corruption from building up in the first place. Fourth, be careful about the VPNs and ad blockers you use. If you use a VPN regularly, make sure it's a reputable one with clean IP addresses and good compatibility with Google services. Some free VPNs in particular use IP addresses that Google has flagged, which can cause persistent Play Store errors. And fifth, if you ever see the "something went wrong" error appear suddenly on a phone that was working perfectly before, the very first thing you should do is check Down Detector for a Google Play outage before you start changing settings on your device. You might be surprised how often this error is caused by Google's servers having a bad day and not your phone at all. All right, let's quickly recap everything we covered today so you have a complete reference. Method 1, restart your phone properly to clear RAM and refresh system processes. Method 2, check and reset your internet connection, including toggling airplane mode and restarting your router. Method 3, check Google Play Store server status on Down Detector in case the problem is on Google's end. Method 4, fix your date and time settings by enabling automatic time and time zone. Method 5, force stop Google Play Store to clear broken background processes. Method 6, clear the cache of Google Play Store to eliminate corrupted temporary data. Method 7, clear the cache of Google Play services, which is the step most people miss. Method 8, remove and re-add your Google account to fix authentication sync failures. Method 9, disable your VPN and fix private DNS settings if network interference is the cause. Method 10, uninstall Play Store updates to roll back a buggy update. Method 11, update Google Play services to ensure full compatibility. Method 12, free up storage space if your device is critically low on memory. And Method 13, perform a factory reset as the absolute last resort when nothing else works. One of these methods will fix your problem. I guarantee it. The "something went wrong" error on Google Play Store, as frustrating as it is always caused by something specific and always has a solution. You just need to work through the methods systematically, and you will get your Play Store working again. If this video helped you out today, please do me a favor and hit the like button right now. It really helps this channel reach more people who are dealing with the same problem. If you have any questions, or if you got stuck on any of the steps, drop a comment below and I will personally help you out. And if you want to see more Tech Fix videos like this one, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss a new upload. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.